welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 33rd day of the 40 days challenge. So today I'm going to make a wonderful curry leaves powder. For me and my family, curry leaves powder works like wonder because I make idli, dosa very frequently and I can use this as a condiment for idli and dosa. Curry leaves are a fragrant herb with a pungent, citrusy and earthy flavor. Curry leaves are mostly used in South Asian dishes, in curries, dals, rice, etc. etc. Most importantly, curry leaves are also used in traditional medicines for their antioxidant. The potential benefits of curry leaves powder are digestive health, hair growth and nutrient-rich hair health. Hair health. We all love taking care of our hair, so curry leaves are amazing addition to your hair care routine. Curry leaves are infused in coconut oil as a traditional method to create a hair tonic that is believed to promote hair growth and prevent graying of the hair. Half a cup urad dal, 1/3 cup Bengal gram roasted, 1/3 cup chana dal, a tablespoon of jeera, 1/4 cup dhania or coriander seeds, about 8 to 9 dried red chilies. Now we'll roast all these in a kadai with some oil. 2 spoons of cooking oil. To this I'll add all these lentils and masalas and roast it. It is very important to roast these thoroughly because if it is raw, it is going to spoil the entire taste of the powder. There you go guys, it's perfectly roasted. Can you see the color change? It's perfect. Get it off the heat now and let it cool down. To this kadai, we'll add a little bit more oil. Roast about 6 garlic cloves. Don't burn the garlic, just make sure it turns a little soft and brown. There you go guys, it's perfectly slightly brown, so get it off the heat now. To the same oil, add the fresh curry leaves. The curry leaves are turning crispy now. Another few seconds before we get this off the heat, guys. The curry leaves are perfectly crispy now, so you can get this off the heat. Now we'll transfer these two into the blender. To this, I'll add some salt and give it a nice blend. No water guys, this is not a chutney. There you go, my curry leaves powder is now ready. I blended this very coarsely. There you go guys, our green leaves powder is now ready. This can be stored in this jar for at least a couple weeks. No need to refrigerate it, put it outside, make sure it's away from water. It is a traditional South Indian curry powder which is passed down from generations. So I learned this from my mother. My today's 2 cents. I'm again taking a quote from one of my father's favorite because he has been collecting quotes and making a note of them in his lovely quotes collection book. So I'm quoting from that book guys. So they're very special to me because my father's hand-chosen or hand-picked quotes, so very valuable. Here's the quote guys. Life is more strict than a teacher because a teacher teaches a lesson and then takes an exam, but the life takes an exam first and then teaches a lesson. I don't want to end this video without thanking you guys for all the messages. Trust me, I'm reading each and every message and I'm overwhelmed with the response and the love I'm getting. So thank you again. Please don't mind if I don't respond to all your messages, but trust me, I'm reading them. Until I see you guys in my next vlog, bye-bye.